In this video, we're going to cover how to place a MoleSlayer. Remember, the MoleSlayer is 4 inches long and 3 inches wide, so we're going to excavate to about those dimensions. It's certainly okay to go well below those dimensions, and we'll cover that in a more advanced video. We're going to go ahead and set the trap, and that's the way it's going to look like when it's set within the excavated area. I'm going to insert my fingers to the top of the ceiling of the mole tunnel. My finger and my thumb are going to go inside the tunnel about 1 inch. And then I'm going to pull that material to the center. That's going to clear any dirt left in the mole tunnel and create a bridge for our trap. A bridge isn't necessary, but it's preferred. From here, we're going to go ahead and set our trap. I'm going to insert my hand underneath the pin, push a little soil forward and clear any soil out from underneath the trap pan and the pin area. I'm going to rock the trap back just a little bit or cover that trap with soil. And that's it. Would encourage you to watch the advanced placement technique, which is the next video in this series.